Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. Today we're continuing our fruit series. And we're making a super easy and absolutely adorable little cherry. This one is really beginner friendly, quick to finish, and turns out so cute. You can use it as a keychain, bag charm, or even add a sweet embroidered face to make it extra kawaii. So grab your yarn and hook and let's crochet this tiny cherry together. Here are the tools you'll need for this project. We'll be using 4-ply cotton yarn. You'll also need a 3mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, and a stuffing tool to shape your cherry nicely. Let's begin by crocheting the cherry body. Pick your red yarn and start with a magic ring. Make a knot and crochet 6 single crochet into it. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Then slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. And chain 1 to start the next. We'll repeat this slip stitch and chain 1 at the end and start of every round. It keeps the shape nice and tidy. For round 1, work an increase in every stitch. That's 2 single crochets in each stitch. You'll have 12 stitches at the end. Slip stitch to close. For round 2, chain 1, then 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase. Repeat 6 times for a total of 18 stitches. Slip stitch to end the round. For rounds 3 to 6, we're just going to keep it simple. Work single crochet in every stitch around. No increases, no decreases, just nice and steady to build the round shape of the cherry. Now for round 7, we'll start shaping the cherry. Begin with a chain, then work 1 single crochet followed by 1 invisible decrease. To make an invisible decrease, insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch, then into the front loop of the following stitch. Yarn under, pull through both loops, yarn under again, and pull through all loops on the hook. Repeat this sequence all the way around, and this will start closing the cherry nicely. After you complete round 7, go ahead and fill in the polyester fiber until the body feels nicely full and firm. Now for round 8, start with a chain 1, then work 6 invisible decreases around. Once you're done, make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end the round. Use the leftover yarn tail to weave and pull the opening closed securely. Now, make another piece following the exact same pattern. After that, let's embroider the eyes and cheeks onto the body to make it look extra cute. You can use black yarn or embroidery thread for the eyes, and a soft pink for the cheeks. Keep the stitches small to give it a sweet expression. Next, let's work on the leaf. Pick your green yarn and start by making 8 chains. For round 1, chain 1, then insert your hook into the back bump of the second foundation chain and make a slip stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet, then 1/2 double crochet, followed by double crochets in the next 2 chains. Continue with 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. In the last chain, work a slip stitch, chain 1, and another slip stitch all in the same stitch. Now we're turning to the other side of the chain. Insert your hook into both loops and repeat the same pattern. 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 2 double crochets, one-half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Finish with a slip stitch and then make another slip stitch into the first stitch to complete the leaf. Once the leaf is done, chain 10 to create the stem that will connect to our cherry later. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Next, let's make another leaf using the same pattern. Before we start the stem, make a slip stitch to connect this leaf to the first one. This will join them together nicely. Now, chain 10 to create the stem that will connect to the cherry. Be sure to hide the leftover yarn properly and leave enough yarn tail so we can sew the cherry onto both ends of the stem later. And there you have it. Your super cute little cherry is all done. I used blue yarn to embroider the eyes so they look bright and extra kawaii. You can make it as a keychain, bag charm, or even add a tiny face to make it even more adorable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next fruit in our crochet series. Thanks for crocheting with me today, and I hope your cherry brings a little sweetness to your day.